Welcome students. We are discussing some applications of trigonometry chapter. In this chapter, in this video, we will discuss question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10. A statue 1.6 cm tall stands on the top of pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Students, here AB is the statue. Here AB is the statue. The height of the statue is 1.6 meter, and which is standing on the pedestal. This AB is the pedestal. Here AB is the pedestal. Here BC is the pedestal. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue, A is the point, it shows the top of the statue. So from the point D, the angle of elevation is 60 degree, and from the same point D, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. We have to find height of the pedestal, which is BC. Here H is the pedestal, is BC. Here the height of the pedestal is BC, B H meter. So this is H meter. Height of the statue is AB is equal to 1.6 meter. AB is equal to 1.6 meter is the height of the statue. Now let us take in the triangle BCD, angle D is 45 degree. We can take tan 45 degree. Therefore tan 45 degree is equal to, tan 45 is equal to, opposite side is BC divided by adjacent is CD. Therefore tan 45 is equal to 1 is equal to, BC is H divided by CD. Therefore H is equal to CD meter. Therefore H is equal to, therefore H is equal to CD, or CD is equal to H meter. Now let us move to the triangle ACD. In this triangle ACD, angle D is 60 degree. Angle D is 60 degree. We can take tan 60 is equal to AC by DC. Tan 60 is equal to AC divided by DC. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AC. AC is 1.6 meter. AC is 1.6 plus H divided by DC is H. So that is equal to cross multiply. Root 3 into H is equal to 1.6 plus H. Transpose H to LHS, it becomes root 3H minus H is equal to 1.6. If you take out HS common, root 3 minus 1. If you take out HS common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. Therefore H is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Therefore H is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize the denominator. So write root 3 minus 1 as root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. We are making the denominator to be rational. Therefore H is equal to 1.6 into numerator root 3 plus 1 as it is. This is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Root 3 square minus 1 root 3 square root of root 3 square root and square root will get cancelled. 3 minus 1 is 2. Simplify. H is equal to 2 0.8 is 1.6 root 3 plus 1. This is plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 meter is the height of the pedestal. Therefore, H is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter is the height of the pedestal. Let us move to the next problem. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter height, find the height of the building. Here, the angle of elevation from the top of the building from the foot of the tower. Here AB is, this AB is nothing but height of the building. This AB is nothing but height of the building. And if you observe from another building, the foot of the building, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. From another building, which is nothing but from another, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. So here one is nothing but the tower, another one is nothing but a building. Here AB is the building. From this building, if you observe the top of the tower, here what happens? The angle of elevation from the foot of the building is found to be 60 degree, and from another point C, the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 30 degree. So we have to find height of the building AB. Here the tower height is given, it is nothing but 50 meter. This tower is nothing but 50 meter. So if you observe from this foot of the tower, the angle of elevation is 30 degree to the building. From this foot of the building, if you observe the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So we have to find height of the building, which is AB. Here AB is nothing but height of the building, and CD is nothing but height of the tower, which is equal to 50 meter. So in the triangle BCD, here angle B is equal to 60 degree. So let us take tan 60 is equal to CD divided by BC. Tan 60 is root 3, CD is nothing but 50 divided by BC. So therefore BC is equal to, so if you transpose BC to numerator and 30 to denominator, 50 root 3 meter. So 50 root 3 meter is nothing but the distance between the building and the tower. So in the triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 30 degree. Tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is nothing but height of the building H divided by BC. Therefore H is equal to BC divided by root 3. Therefore H is equal to BC is nothing but 50 by root 3. So H is nothing but 50 by root 3. Therefore it becomes 50 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. So that is equal to H is equal to 50 into 150 divided by 3 meter. So this is height of the building. Here H is equal to BC by root 3. So here BC is nothing but 50 by root 3, or you substitute the value of BC here. So BC is 50 by root 3 divided by root 3. So the value of BC is 50 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. So that is equal to H is equal to 50 by 3 meter. This is the height of the building. If you divide, you will get H is equal to 16 2 by 3 meter. The height of the building is 16 2 by 3 meter. Let us move to the next problem. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Here, the two poles which are equal heights, where AB and PQ are the two poles which are standing opposite to each other. Here AB and QP are standing opposite to each other on opposite side of the road. So the road wide is 80 meter. Here AP is equal to 80 meter wide. From the point, so let us take the point C. From this point, when we observe, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles is 30 degree, and from another point it is 60 degree. So we have to find the height of the poles AB and QP respectively. AB and PQ are the two poles of height H meter and C is the point between the poles AP. So in the triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 30 degree. Let us take tan 30 is equal to AB divided by AC. Here you take, this is the right angle triangle ABC. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. So tan 60 is equal to AB divided by AC. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3 is equal to H by X, because this AB is nothing but H, AC is nothing but X. Therefore H is equal to root 3 X. So in the triangle PQC, tan 30 degree is equal to PQ divided by PC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to PQ is nothing but height. So let AB and PQ are the two poles of height H meter. That's why QP and AB also becomes H divided by. So what is the length of PC? The length of PC is nothing but total length of AP is nothing but 80 and AC is X. Already we have taken AC is equal to X, which is equal to H is equal to 80 minus X by root 3. So from 1 and 2, let us take 1 and 2. Therefore, the value of H is equal to root 3x is equal to 80 minus x divided by root 3. We cancel square root of 3. Square root of 3 is nothing but 3x plus x is equal to 80. So 4x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 divided by 4. So x is equal to 20. Where x is nothing but AC. AC is nothing but x is equal to 20 meter. Then h is equal to height of the building. The height of the building AB is equal to h, that is equal to root 3x. Therefore h is equal to root 3 into 20, that is equal to 20 root 3 meter. This is the height of the building. This is how we can calculate the distance of the building and height of the building by using trigonometric ratios.